Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Just Eat gift cards step by step. First, open the Just Eat app on your phone or visit the Just Eat website. Make sure you're logged in to your account before redeeming the gift card. If you're on a guest account, you might lose your credit. So it's really important to sign in first. If you don't have an account, just create one for free. Go to your account tab, then tap on account credit or redeem a gift card. Enter your gift card code in the box, then tap redeem. The balance will instantly appear in your account credit. And that's it. Now, when you place your next Just Eat order, you can use your account credit at checkout. And don't worry, if you don't spend it all, the remaining balance will stay in your account for future orders. And that's it. That's how to redeem Just Eat gift card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.